A very good morning to all my dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today we are going to study computer. So let us start with chapter number 1, that is Introduction to a Computer. Before starting the chapter, first let me explain you what the word computer means. The word computer means to compute, to calculate. So, a computer means a machine that performs calculations. In earlier times, when computer was not invented, people used to calculate or perform calculations using sticks, stones, pebbles, fingers, etc. But after the invention of computer, the calculations becomes more easier. So, a computer is an electronic machine that works according to our requirement. Today, computers are used at most places because they are fast and accurate and have a very high memory power. You can store many things at a time in the computer, which is not provided in any other machines. Now, computer is also considered as a smart machine. Why it is considered as a smart machine? Because it does not allow you only to calculate or to do your textual works. It also helps you to enjoy making drawings, coloring them, playing songs and music, to solve mathematical problems, watch cartoons and movies. So in short, a computer means learning with fun. The children will enjoy using computers and learning various new things. So computer is considered as a smart machine. Now, working of a computer. How a computer works? A computer is a machine that works on the principle of input, process, output, cycle. What is input, process, output, cycle? Let me first understand you in a very simple language. When you enter anything in a keyboard or using a mouse, that is an input you are giving. Then the input goes directly to the CPU, that is called the processing unit. The CPU performs the processing and then gives you the output. The output is displayed on the monitor. So input, process, output, cycle means giving an input through the keyboard or mouse, processing using the CPU and displaying the output on the monitor or on the screen. In IPO cycle, data and instructions are entered. They are processed and stored, and finally the result is given out. The instruction and commands given to the computer, whatever instructions you want. For example, if you want to find Microsoft Word, then first you have to type Microsoft Word in the keyboard, or you can search it using the mouse. So that is your command given. So that command will be given is called the input or the data. A computer accepts it, examines it, and then calculates the result. This is called the processing. It means if you are entering in the keyboard Microsoft Word, then the computer will accept your command, then it will examine it. It will check that whether Microsoft Word is present in your computer or not. That process is called processing, and that is performed using the CPU. Then the result is given by the computer after processing is called information or output. Finally, if Microsoft Word will be present in your computer, then directly it will be opened. Else an error message will be shown to you that batched content doesn't exist. It means that Microsoft Word is not present in your computer. The output will be displayed on the monitor screen. That is called the output. Now, we can see many such examples of IPO cycle in our daily life. For example, to draw a picture, paper and crayons are required, right? If you want to draw a picture, then first you require a pencil, a paper, a crayons. These are called the inputs. Then, using the paper and crayons, to make a drawing is processing. Then afterwards, you use your pencil, you use your colors, you use your paper for drawing. That process is called processing. And finally, the computed drawing is the output. After your drawing is finished, that drawing is called the output. Machines performs only one function, need only one instruction. For example, when a fan is switched on, it moves and gives air. There is no instruction required. A computer, on the other hand, needs many instructions to work. There are many other machines also which does not require any instruction. For example, fridge, fan, cupboard. You just have to switch on and it will work automatically. But computer is a smart machine. It is different than other machines. So it required the instructions to perform various calculations. Now we will study the features of computer. What are the features of computer? What makes computer more special? Why does the children like studying computer? A computer has many features which makes it too special. It can work very fast. It has very high speed. It is an accurate machine. It can do calculations without making any mistake. If we are calculating the human, as the human, we perform many mistakes. If you are counting a sum using the fingers you calculate, then it is possible that mistakes happens. But computer doesn't make any mistake. No mistakes will be found if you are performing calculations using a computer. It can store huge amount of data and information in its storage space, which is known as memory. A computer has a memory. For example, a human being has a brain in which all the data stores. You remember all the things in your brain. In the same way, computer also remembers and maintains the data where it is called the memory. Where does the computer record the data? In the memory. It can work continuously for hours without getting tired. A computer can perform work. It can work tirelessly. As a human being, after completing such works, we get tired. We cannot work for more than 4 to 5 hours continuously. But as a machine, computer can work continuously without getting tired. The speed and accuracy levels of a computer can remain the same even after it works for many hours. It is only one of the most reliable machines today. The most reliable machines which can work continuously without getting tired. It is called the reliable machine. It does not feel any tiresome. It does not feel any work burden. It can work for how many hours you want continuously. It can perform various types of jobs at the same time with the same speed and accuracy. For example, we can play games, listen to music, or draw a picture at the same time on a computer. Okay, for now, we are studying the features of computer. The limitations we will continue in the next chapter. Thank you, students. Bye-bye. Have a great day.